Tired of shipping all by yourself on eBay? This Amazon FBA shortcut fixes everything. So if you're an eBay seller and an Amazon seller, you'll know that Amazon's so easy because they do all the shipping for you. But if you look at my screen, you can see this eBay item. What happens when somebody purchases is I have to ship it myself. Takes time. What if I had 100 orders in a day? It would be hard to scale. But the good thing is now you can connect eBay to Amazon, have Amazon ship it to the eBay customers in a blank package, which is completely allowed. Now, the first thing you need to do is just set up your eBay listing, just like I did right here. Set up your eBay listing and make sure it has a SKU. This SKU should be the same as your Amazon SKU. So go into Amazon if you have an Amazon FBA account, and then make sure that you have the same exact SKU on Amazon that it is on eBay. That's going to make sure the connection is set up properly. And of course, you do need Amazon FBA inventory. So have Amazon FBA inventory ready to go. That's pretty much the qualifications to get this party started. Other than that, all you're going to do is set up the tool called Map My Channel, which is completely free. I'm not an affiliate, but just type in Map My Channel into Google. You're going to see mapmychannel.com. Go here, click login. There's going to be a sign up button right down here. So make sure you go ahead and click sign up, then click sign up. Once you are signed up, it's going to look something like this, and all you do is connect your eBay account. Then the next step is you're going to connect your Amazon account, and then everything should be set up and connected, and it's going to look something like this. Let me move these to the side. Like this once you're fully logged in. Once you're fully logged in, you'll see if somebody does place an eBay order, as long as you set it up properly, just like I told you how to, then Amazon's automatically going to get notified and ship it to the customer on eBay. Not only that, this tool also takes the tracking number from Amazon and puts it into eBay for you. So this is like as automated as it gets. It's not drop shipping because you have to use your own Amazon FBA inventory. And this is really utilizing Amazon to its fullest extent. You can go to the integration tab and just see how it's integrated, right? So you can see on my screen, we've got eBay up here, Amazon down here, order sync, tracking synced, everything's synced up. So when somebody does place an order on eBay, Amazon automatically gets notified, ships it out to the customer. You can even click on this little green icon right here to enable it where Amazon does ship it in a blank package. So that way the eBay customer doesn't get confused and is like, why did I receive something that is I bought from eBay and it says it's from Amazon, right? So you can set all of that up, map your mappings, which is your shipment details, make sure everything is shipped out properly. They do have plans right here, so you can go into the plans tab. Now, like I said, it is free. So scroll all the way down to the bottom and there is a free plan. You can stay on this plan as long as you want from what I've seen. And then if you need to upgrade, you can always upgrade, but it's awesome to have a free plan. And it's not like a 30-day trial as of making this video. It's just like free forever. So I hope it stays like that. If you did need more information, you're like, look, Josh, I need more tutorials. I need a step-by-step breakdown on how to set this up. Just go to our website. It's ehpconsultinggroup.com. It's right in the description below. And then all you're going to do is go to services down here and then go into courses. Once you're in courses, you'll see we have a full course. It's the same as this video, but I go extremely in depth on actually setting up one step at a time if you need that extra push, right? Now, we also have some other courses, and TikTok is another big one if you are interested in that. But that's it for today's video. And if you want more eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your journey. I am Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.